No matter what you do to improve your great outdoors, it's not going to look that good if your grass looks like this. Mowing grass on a regular basis and choosing the right mower is so important to a nice, healthy lawn. But how do you choose the right mower? Well, let your lawn decide. You know, how big is your yard and how many trees or landscape areas do you have to go around? And is it flat or is it sloping? All of those are important questions to ask yourself when you're ready to go out and get that brand new mower. Now, if you have a fairly small yard, let's say a half acre or less, the walk-behind mowers will do a great job. And if you want to get a really good workout, buy one that doesn't have the self-propelled features. But if you want to make it a little easier, get the self-propelled model, and you can find a model that'll allow the mower speed to match up with your walking pace. That's real important. But if you have a larger yard, you're going to want a riding lawnmower. The tractor-style mowers like this one are among the most popular because the driving style is familiar and they can accept a large variety of accessories. We got our money's worth out of the bagger on this one earlier with all the leaves we had to pick up. But you've probably seen the professional lawn service guys on those models that use control levers instead of a steering wheel. Well, those are available to consumers now, and they deliver an exceptional cut. Plus, they let you turn on a dime. The folks at John Deere have added some of that maneuverability to this tractor model by giving it four-wheel steering. All four wheels turn so that you can make tight cuts around even small obstacles. That means less backing up in order to get around trees and shrubs, which speeds up the job, so you can improve the look of your great outdoors in no time at all.